Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create more volume on your curly hair while you're drying. So we're going to do this on our hair after we have washed it. We've applied all of our styling products and pressed out some of that extra moisture. So right before you're ready to either air dry or diffuse, that's when we're going to go in and do this. And what we're going to do is we're going to take these claw clips that most of you probably have in your house, and we're going to open that clip up right on top of your part line. And then we're just going to close it and give it a little bit of lift like that. And what this is doing is lifting that hair up at the root and causing it to lift up before it cascades down to the side, creating more volume so that your part area isn't flattened out. You can use these larger clips as well if you have a really thick hair. So we're going to go in and do the same thing. We're going to open that clip up, place it right across the part line. Then we're going to close it and give it just a little bit of a lift up to pull it away from the scalp. Now you can do this with about 2 or 3 clips right across the part. Then you're going to diffuse as you normally would or air dry until your hair is about 90 to 95% dry. Then you're going to take these clips out by just opening them up and letting the hair slide out. And what that's going to do is help set the hair dry while it's being lifted and pulled together at the center, giving you that nice volume across your part. Now, the other way that we can achieve this volume with our hair is utilizing what we call pin curl clips. And those are clips that look like this. What I like to do is take 2 of these clips, open them up, grasp a little bit of curl on either side of your part line, bring them together, and then close them. Now, what we're doing is we're closing them together in a shape of an X. So we're going to bring them together and clamp them closed so they look like this. And we're going to do that right across the center of your part. So we open, grasp a little bit of curl on either side, and bring them together and clip them. Now you can see how that lifts her hair up towards the root, so you can't see that part line anymore, and it's creating all of this beautiful volume while she's drying. You can also use this technique if you have hair that tends to split apart in the back that leaves you with this parting here where the scalp is exposed. You can take the same technique, take 2 of your clips, grasp a little bit of curl on either side of that split and part, and just bring them together and clip that closed. And what that does is force that gap kind of closed while the hair's drying, so then when you let it loose, the hair stays together, pinched over that section, so you no longer have that exposed scalp and parting. I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like more tips and tricks like this, subscribe to my channel below.